dear students, in today's class we'll discuss about number series. Okay, first of all, what is the definition of number? Let us see here. A number is mathematical concept used to count, measure, label and compare quantities. Okay, that is the definition for the number, as we know that already. Now series means what? It follows a particular rule or order or pattern. So that is what? Series. Here see, let's say for example, see example 1. See 7 comma 11 comma 15 comma now 19 comma what next? Here one example, and the second example, see here second example, see 2 comma 500 comma minus 900 comma, okay, 28 comma what now 2 comma what next? This is the second example. Here what is the difference between these two examples? Let us see. Means here see, here from first term to second term adding by 4, correct? Here second term to third term adding by again 4. Now third term to fourth term adding by again 4. Next would be what? It should be adding by 4, then you will get 23. Clear all of you? Now here how can we say here? So it is following a particular order. That is what? For the previous term if you add plus 4, you will get second term or next term. Again if you add plus 4, you will get next term. So like that it is going on. Clear? Now see second example. Here to here added by 498. Here to here minus what? We have to do minus 1400, correct? Now here to here, so plus 928. From here to here, what? Minus 20, no, correct? Minus 26, correct. Now here, then next would be what? Here is that following any pattern here? No, why? Because here adding by 498, here subtracting minus 1400. So here 928, not following any pattern here. So that's why this is not a series, this is a series. Here number follows any particular order, that is number series. Here it is not following any particular order, that is not a, otherwise non-number series. It is not a series or non-number series. Clear? Now, so like this we have different types. In your competitive examinations they may ask in different ways. First of all, we will go to learn the concept. First of all, we will learn the concept. So from that you will get how to solve the different type of questions. Okay students, before move on to the different type of series, here we have to memorize prime numbers between 1 to 100 and squares of numbers from 1 to 40 and cubes of numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, I will give all these details, then after we will go for different types of number series. Clear? So first of all, prime numbers between 1 to 100. Prime numbers between 1 to 100. Between 1 to 100. Now see here, first of all, what is the definition of prime number? The number which having only two factors, 1 and itself. Those numbers are called prime numbers. You know already. So now I am giving you prime numbers between 1 to 100. See, what are the prime numbers between 1 to 100? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37. Now 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 73, 79 and 71 also. 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. These are all the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Okay, here how many prime numbers are there between 1 to 100? There are 25 prime numbers. See, let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Here 71 also there. Please remember. Okay, so there are 25 prime numbers between 1 to 100. Now let's go for square. Square is nothing but you already know about square. Square is nothing but a number multiplied by twice itself. So that is we called square. Here I am writing so up to 40 squares. See here. Here first of all see I am writing here 1 square 1, 2 square 2. Here okay, representation of square is what actually here see, okay, otherwise n into n, that is equal to n square. You can write this also, otherwise same number multiplied by twice. Now 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, now 9 square 81, 10 square 100, 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225, next 16 square 256, 17 square 289, now 18 square 324, 19 square 361, 20 square 400. Clear? Next continuation here, see all of you. 21 square what? 441, 22 square 484, 23 square 529, 24 square 576, 25 square 625, 26 square 676, 27 square 729, 28 square 784, 29 square 841, 30 square what? 900. Next 31 square 961, 32 square 1084, 33 square correct, sorry 1024 this one, 33 square 1089, next 34 square 1156, 35 square 1225, 36 square 1296, 37 square 1369, now 38 square 1444, now 39 square 1521, 40 square 1600. So up to 40 squares you must memorize. Clear? It is very useful while solving a different type of questions. You will get to know. Clear? Next we'll see about cubes. Now let us see about cubes. Cube is nothing but what? A number multiplied by thrice itself. See, that's why n into n, n cube. So I am writing here, okay, cubes from 1 to 20 numbers. See here, 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, now 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube, yes, tell me next, 729, now 10 cube 1000, now 11 cube 1331, nothing but 131, 12 cube 728, 13 cube 2197, now 14 cube 2744, means 44, 15 cube 3375, 3375, now 16 cube 4096, 17 cube 4913, 4913, 913, 18 cube 5832, now 19 cube 6859, correct. Next 20 cube 8000. So all these you have to memorize, then only you will crack all the questions from this number series topic. Clear? Okay, next we'll move on to the first model, that is standard series. Okay, in this standard series again further classification is there. In that, what are the different types will come, let us see. First of all, natural number series. Natural number series. Here we know already, natural number means what? All counting numbers are natural numbers. Means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the next term? 7. Or whether it is increasing order or decreasing order. See, if let's say 59, 58, 57, 56. What is the next term? 55. Like this also they may give. Next, even number series. Even number series. Here see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. What is the next term? 14. Here also they may give increasing order or decreasing order. See here, next you can take it as a 102, 100, 98, 96. Next would be 94. So same as odd number series. Odd number series means we have different type of numbers. All are okay. All I am covering here. Now see here, next 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Next would be what? 13. Or else you can take 217, 215, 213, 211. Next would be 209. Decreasing order. Next, now see here, prime number series. See here, what are the different examples here? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Next would be what? 17. If it is increasing order, it is very easy for you. If it is decreasing order, so that's why I am giving you, okay, prime numbers between 1 to 100. Most probably you will get like this. So they may give decreasing order also, like this. See, 67, 61, 59, 53, 47. What is the previous, according to this pattern, previous prime number we have to write here. What is the previous prime number after 40? Okay, before preceded 47, what is the prime number? Here 43. So like this you have to memorize. That's what I am telling you. Next, after this composite number series, you know well already what is the composite number. The number, okay, which have more than 2 factors. Those numbers are called composite number. Okay, one is neither composite nor prime. We know already. So now here starts with what? Composite number 4, 6. Okay. Now 8, 9, 10. Correct? All these are composite. Next composite number 12. Next composite number 14. Like this also they may give. Clear? Next we'll see about now square series and cube series. Okay? Now square series. Square series. See here, what are the different type of examples you may get here. See, 1, 4, 9, 16. Next what? 25, 36. What is the next term? 49. Easily you can tell. Why? Because it is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. Next would be what? 7 square. Clear? It is in the order. Otherwise, they may give multiples of any particular number squares. See, let's say here 9, 36. Okay. Now 81, 144. Now question mark. Okay. Next 324. Here see how they will give questions from this topic. They may ask you find out the next term in the series or missing term in the series, or one more type, wrong term in the series. Like that also they may ask you. See here, according to this, what is your answer? What this number square is what? 3 square shall I write? This one 6 square, this is 9 square, this is 12 square. Then question mark we have to find out. According to this order, this is what? Multiple of 3 only na? 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. Next would be 3 into 5. So 15 square. Correct? 15 square is how much? 225. Next it is what? 18 square. Yes? Sufficient? So according to this pattern, your answer is what? 225. See, like this they may give. Otherwise, to finding the wrong term in the series, how they may give? See here. Otherwise, they may give by using even numbers, by using odd numbers, by using squares, squares by using even numbers, by natural numbers. Whether it is increasing order or decreasing order, also they may give. See, let's say here. See, 400. Now 324. Next, okay, 255. Next, 196, 144, 100. Now in this series, one of the term is wrong term. So find out the wrong term in the series. So like this also they may give. Next example. Here see, in this, shall I write this one 20 square, this one 18 square, okay, this one 14 square, this one 12 square, this one 10 square. According to this pattern, this is even number series and decreasing order. Order also important here. Okay, so 20, so next would be what here? Previous term after 8, okay, before 18, that is what? 16. 16 square is what? 256, but here given 255. So this is the wrong term in the given series. So like this also you may get questions. So why I gave the name here standard series? All are by looking itself we can say easily whether it may be okay, this series may forms by using natural numbers or even numbers or composite numbers or series, okay, like that we can say easily. So that's why I gave name that, okay, standard series. Okay, we will move on to the next model. Okay students, we will see some examples from the cube series. See, 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. What next? As I told you, this is what? Natural numbers cubes. Here see, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. Next would be what? 6 cube. Correct? Now based on this, your answer is what? 260. You must memorize the squares, cubes and prime numbers as a given. Why? Because these are based on this also you will get some questions from this topic. Next, if it may be increasing order or decreasing order, it may be even numbers or odd numbers or multiples of any particular table, like that also you may get. See, you can take like this 1000, 512, 216. What is the missing term? Here 8. Now here shall I write this one? 10 cube, 8 cube, 6 cube, 4 cube and 2 cube. What is the 4 cube? 64. Correct? Next, one more example shall I give? Here, okay, you can take like this 1728, okay, now 1331, next 1729. What would be the next? Here, this is what? 12 cube, this is what? 11 cube, 10 cube, 9 cube, next would be 8 cube, that is 512. So like this, different ways they may give, okay, questions from this cube, okay, cube series model. Okay, next we'll see one more time, that is n series. Okay my dear students, we'll move on to the next model, that is n series. Very important, n series. Okay, now how they will give questions from this? See, here it may be n cube plus k or n square plus k. Okay, now n square minus k on n cube minus k. One more model I am writing here, n cube plus n square and n cube minus n square. In this, what are the different type of questions they may ask in your examination? Let us see. See, n cube plus k, how they will give questions for you? See, it may be, see, 3, next 10, 29, 66, okay, now 127. What next? Here, by using this, how to find out? See, shall I write this one? 1 cube plus 2. Is there any problem for you? 1 cube value is what? 1. 1 plus 2, 3. This one shall I write? 2 cube plus 2. 2 cube is what? 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Now this one 3 cube plus 2. 4 cube plus 2. 5 cube plus 2. Next would be what? 6 cube plus 2. Where n is equal to what? Natural numbers. And where k is equal to what? 2. Where k is nothing but constant. Here I am taking 2. They may add plus 1. They may add plus 3. They may add plus 10. What it may be. Now according to this, your answer is 218. Clear? Now we will go for next one. See, n square plus k. Here I am taking some n is differently. Here see. Your answer, okay, see. 5 comma 10 comma 26 comma next 50 comma 122. What is the missing term? Here 290. We have to find out the missing term here. See again, here how can we write in different way? See here. So shall I write this one 2 square plus 1, next 3 square plus 1, correct? Now this one what? 5 square plus 1, this one what? 7 square plus 1, 11 square plus 1. According to this one is what? 17 square plus 1. According to this, where n is equal to what? Prime numbers. Why? Because it is in the order of primes. Why? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Next would be what? 13 square plus 1. So 170. Your answer is what? 170. Clear? So you have to memorize squares and cubes. Okay. How you get this? Means after practicing different type of questions. So then you will get this idea. How to write in this format, or then you will get idea. Okay. Next, n square minus a. For suppose it can be c. 3. Okay. Otherwise whether increasing order or decreasing order also. I am taking now decreasing order. See here 397. Okay. 397. Now 321. Next here 253. What is the missing term? 141. Here see how can we write now? Here nearest to this one is what? 20 square. Like that we have to check first of all. It is nearest to 20 square, and how much? Plus here 3. 20 square minus 3. This is right, 18 square minus 3. Correct? This one is what? 16 square minus 3. 16 square is 256 minus 3. 253. According to decreasing order, 14 square minus 3. 14 square is how much? 196 minus 3. 193. This one is what? 12 square minus 3. So everything is possible. Correct? Now your answer is 193. Clear? Next, see n cube. Based on n cube also, I'll give one more example. See, you can take next where n is equal to natural numbers or even numbers or prime numbers or odd numbers. Okay, based on now 0 comma here. Okay, next 26 comma 124 comma 342 comma what next? Here what? How it starts with 0? Sometimes the questions may start with 0. So it may be this model sometimes. Okay. Now, shall I write 1 cube minus 1, 3 cube minus 1, 5 cube minus 1, 7 cube minus 1. According to this order, next would be 9 cube minus 1. So 9 cube is what? 729 minus 1, 728. Clear? So like this, you will get questions from this n series. Very, very interesting. Next, n cube plus n square. See here, we will give two more questions. N cube plus n square is nothing but what? See, you may get questions like this: 1 cube plus 1 square, 2 cube plus 2 square, 3 cube plus 3 square. Where n is equal to, it can be either natural numbers or odd numbers, even numbers, whether it is increasing order or decreasing order. Here, there is no k here. Why? Because only n, based on n only. Correct? Now see, here you can take 2. Next, 12, 36, 80, what next? Shall I write this one? 1 square plus 1 cube, 2 square plus 2 cube, 3 square plus 3 cube, 4 square plus 4 cube. Next would be what? 5 square plus 5 cube. So 25 plus 125, it gives 150. Your answer is 150. Clear? Now next, see here, 0 comma, okay, now 16. Next, 100. Next, what is the question mark? Okay, now 648. 648. Here, how to find out this question? See again, here you can write, this can be 1 cube minus 1, correct? 0. Now this one 3 cube minus, 1 cube minus 1 square, 3 cube minus 3 square, 27 minus 9, it gives 16. Okay, now this one 5 cube minus 5 square, correct? 125 minus 25, it gives 100. Now next what? According to same pattern, 7 cube minus 7 square, because odd numbers. So 343 minus what? 49, it gives how much? 294. Correct? This one is what? Again 9 cube minus 9 square. 9 cube is what? 729. 729 minus what? 81. it gives 648. So your answer is what? 294. So see here, this is very important model for you. So you have to practice in this way, then you will get idea while solving the questions. Clear? Okay dear students, we'll move on to the next model from the number series. Right? Here, next model is arithmetic series. Arithmetic series. See, first of all, we have arithmetic operations. Nothing but mathematical operations. What are they? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So based on this, what are the different type of series are there? Let us see. First of all, addition series. Addition series. Okay. In this, we have again further classification. One is constant addition series. One is what? Constant addition series. Addition series. Okay, I will write here otherwise. Constant addition series. Next, another one is variable addition series. Another one is what? Variable addition series. See, I'll give examples of these two, then you will get understand. So first of all, see here 211, now 218, 225, 232. What next? So like this one example. One more example also I'll give you. Okay. Now 18. So next 24, 30, 36, 42. What next? So these two examples I gave you. So now try to find the solutions for this one. See here 211 to 218 adding by 7. Here also adding by 7. Here also adding by 7. Next would be also adding by 7. You will get 239. Correct? So second example is what? Here you are adding by 6. Correct? Here you are adding by 6. Adding by 6. Adding by 6. Next would be also adding by 6. You will get 48. See, it can be here constant addition series means what? It can be 7, it can be 6, it can be 200, it can be 1 lakh, it can be 115, it can be 210, what it may be. So here every time, previous term to next term same, adding by same number. Here see, previous term to next term, second term adding by 7, third term, second term to third term adding by 7, third term to fourth term adding by 7. It will be where constant is nothing but, let's assume constant x, where x is equal to 7 and taking, where x is equal to 6, where x is equal to 214, what it may be. So every time it will get same, adding by same number. So then you will get easily next term of that series or missing term of that series. Right? Now variable means what? See here, I am giving example. See here. Now 221, otherwise 21. Now 22, 25, now 30, then after 37, what next? One more example, see here, 118 and otherwise 118, next adding by 120, next 123, 128, next 135, what next? So otherwise one more example, see here, 8 plus now 74 after 129 after 173. Okay, then after what? Here three different examples I gave you. Here I am giving solution one by one. All of you look at the board. See here 21 to 22 adding by plus 1, adding by plus 3, correct? Adding by plus 5, adding by plus 7. Next would be adding by what? 9. Here first term to second term adding by 1, second term to third term adding by 3. But here third term to fourth term adding by 5. But it should be follow one particular order. It is following one order. That is what? Adding by odd numbers from 1 onwards, increasing order. So plus 1, plus 3, plus 5, plus 7. According to this order, for this term we have to add 9. Then you will get answer is 46. Correct? Now see second example. Second example, see here 118 to plus 2. Now here to here plus 3. Here to here plus 5. Here to here plus 7. Now by observing carefully, these are what? Prime numbers, correct? Now again increasing order. So plus 2, plus 3, plus 5, plus 7, next would be plus 11. Then you will get 146. Clear? Now see third example. Here, see, here to here adding by plus 66, correct? Now here to here adding by plus 55. Am I correct? Now here to here adding by plus 44. Now next would be what we have to have? Multiple of 11 table, but decreasing order. It should be followed. Different only. See here 1, 3, 5, 7. Different number only. Variable varying. But it should be followed particular order. Then only you will get next term of that series. Okay. Now according to this, so 66, 55, 44. Next would we have to add 33. Correct? Then your answer is what? 206. So like this, whether it is increasing order or decreasing order, but it should be follow a particular order. Then only we call it as a series. We already discussed earlier definition of the series. Clear? So here see, it can be adding by prime numbers or odd numbers or even numbers or composite numbers or multiple of any particular table, whether it is increasing order or decreasing order or adding of squares, squares of natural numbers, squares of even numbers. So like that different questions you will get in your examination. See? Clear? Okay, my dear students, we'll move on to the next model, that is difference series or subtraction series. Next what? Difference series. In this also we have again two different types. One is constant difference series, another one is what? Variable difference series. So I'll give some examples based on this. Now see here. Constant difference series, constant difference series we can call it as constant difference series. This is what? Variable difference series. Now see, 284 comma 279 comma 274 comma 269 comma what next? So next here I am coming to the difference series. See here, two 74 comma 270 comma 262 comma 250 comma 234 comma what next? One question. And another question, 174 comma 173 comma 169 comma next 160 comma 144 comma what next? So see here, for these two questions how to solve. First observe carefully constant difference series. From first term to second term decreasing by 5, correct? Again second term to third term decreasing by 5, and third term to fourth term also decreasing by 5. Next would be also decreasing by 5. Then your answer is what? 264, correct? So now according to here what? Every time you are subtracting same number. So that is what? Constant x. I am taking here minus 5. Otherwise it may be minus 120 or minus 520 or minus 220 like that. Otherwise minus 1 lakh, like different ways they make you. Now see, when coming to the variable difference series, from first term to second term decreasing by 4 and second term to third term decreasing by 8, correct? Now third term to fourth term decreasing by 12, next decreasing by 16. So here what is the pattern here? Multiples of 4 table, correct? So otherwise if you take difference of difference, now again minus 4, again minus 4, again minus 4, then you will get what? Next would be from first here to here minus 4, then it would be minus 20. So then your answer is what? 214. Clear? You may do like this. So first of all take difference of difference. So then you will get from first term to second term, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, minus 16. Again take difference from minus 4 to minus 8. That is what? Minus 4 again. So that is you will get here constant. Like that also you can do. Next, here now variable difference series. See here how variable difference series. Again one more example. From here to here minus 1, here to here minus 4, here to here minus 3, here to here what? Minus 16. Next would be what? Here shall I take this one 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Next would be what? 5 square. Here everybody. Then it would be minus 25, minus 5 square. Okay, minus 25 means what? Here you will get 119. So like this you will get okay, different questions from the this difference constant series and variable difference series. Clear? Okay, next we will move on to the next model, that is multiplication series. Another way you can say product series. Simply in this arithmetic series we are discussing. Okay, now up to now we discussed about addition series and difference series, nothing but subtraction series. Now we will move on to the multiplication series or product series. Now product series. Here also we have two different ways. One is constant product series, yes or no? Another one is variable product series. Another one is what? Variable product series. See, if you learn concept, then you will get any question answer. If you learn shortcut, that is okay, only for that valid question only it is applicable. So that's why learn concept. Concept learning is very, very important. Now see. Okay, see the solution for this question. First of all, 3 into 5, 15, correct? 5 into 15, 75. Now 75 into 5. This is what? 375. 75 into 5. See here how I am multiplying. First of all, 5 into 70, correct? 350. 5 5s are 25. So 375, like that. Next what? So according to the same pattern here, every term, okay, multiplied by 5, you will get next term. Again 15 multiplied by 5, you will get next term. Like that it is going on. Next what you have to do here? 375 into 5, correct? Now what I first of all split and merge method. 5 into 300, 1500. Now 5 into 70, 350. 5 into 5, 25. So together it gives 1875. So your answer is what? 1875. Clear all of you? Next, second example. From here to here multiplied by 5. From here to here multiplied by 4. Yes or no? Whenever multiplied by 5 you will get 25. Or multiplied by 4 you will get 100. Now multiplied by 3. Next would be what? Multiplied by 2 and why? Because decreasing order. So it is what? 600. It is what? 600. Again from here to here multiplied by 1. Why? Because decreasing order. Now see, next example. From here to here multiplied by 2. Here to here multiplied by 4. Correct? Now here to here multiplied by 6. Next would be what? Multiplied by 8. Why? Because multiplied by even numbers. It can be decreasing order. It can be increasing order, it can be even numbers, it can be odd numbers, it can be squares of natural numbers, it can be prime numbers, it's squares of prime numbers, cubes of natural numbers multiplied by anything it can be. Okay, now according to this logic, so we have to do 336 into 8. So 8 into 300, first of all, as I told you, split and merge method. 8 into 300, what? 2400. Now 8 into 30, 240, 8 6 are 48. Together if you add, so you will get 2688. So your answer is what? 2688. So like this, if you solve, you will get easily. Okay, next we will move on to the division series. Okay, students, we will move on to the next model, that is division series. All this comes under arithmetic series. Okay, so far we discussed about addition series, difference series and product series. This is next one, division series. Now in this again two different models we have: constant division series, variable division series. See example here, 800 comma 400 comma 200 comma like that given. First term to second term divided by 2 only na, second term to third term divided by 2, third term to fourth term divided by 2. Next would be also divided by 2. Then you will get what? 50. Now here constant, every time you are dividing with constant number, as I told you, divided by 2 or divided by 5 or divided by 100, what it may be. Next question, see here, here to here divided by 1, here to here divided by 2, here to here divided by 3, yes or no? 240 divided by 1, 240, 240 divided by 2, 120, 120 divided by 3, 40. Next would be what? 120 divided 40 divided by 4, then it will become 10. Now 10 divided by 5, it becomes 2, 10. So your answer is what? 10. So like this, you will get questions from the what? Division series. So far we discussed about arithmetic series. Next we will move on to the next model. Okay, my dear student. Next we will move on to the next model, that is alternate series. See here. Again in this we have two different types. One is one class alternative series. Okay, another one is two class alternative series. After this we will discuss about two class alternative series. See here, what are the different models we have under the one class alternate series. Now see here, first example. So 122, 125. First term second term adding by plus 5. Now first term second term to third term adding by plus 10. Again third term to fourth term adding by plus 5, again plus 10, again plus 5. Next would be what? Here if you observe the pattern here, alternate addition only, but here what? Alternate different numbers are addition here. Here 5 addition, here 10, again 5, 10, 5, 10. So like that it is going on. Next two numbers are plus 10 means 165, again plus 5 means what? 170. So alternate addition series, this one. Okay, both are addition only, but okay, here constant, alternatively constant here, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, like that it is going on. Again plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. So next, observe carefully second example. Here 320, here again plus 20. Here to here, what? Minus 2. Here to here again plus 20. Here to here minus 2. Here to here plus 20. Here to here minus 2. Here combination of addition and subtraction, alternate, okay, addition, alternate, subtraction, constant numbers here. Here alternate plus, okay, adding plus 20, plus 20, plus 20. Now minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Next would be what again? Okay, plus 20. So it would be what? 394. Next would be after 394 minus 2. Then it would be 392. So like this it is going on. Next. Observe third example, 78 to 76. This is what? Minus 2. Here to here, minus 4. Here to here again minus 2. Here to here, what? Minus 4 again. Here to here, then minus 2, minus 4, minus 2, minus 4. Again minus 2 means what here? Sorry, here 64. Then here minus 4, 60. If you want next term, minus 2, 58. So these two are your answers. Clear all of you? So minus 2, minus 4. Again minus 2, minus 4. Again minus 2, what? Minus 4. Again minus 2. So like that. Here both alternates are what? Subtraction here. Not combination of addition and subtraction. Combination of addition. Combination of what? Subtraction alone. Otherwise, they may give combination of, okay, addition and subtraction, multiplication and division, okay, multiplication and addition, addition and subtraction, like the different ways they may give. See, let us see another example. See here, 522, here what? We will not get anything, correct? If you go, leave this one and go for next one, so it is what? Into 3, correct? Now again, leave this one and go for next one, again you will get into 3, yes or no? Now next would be also what? Into 3. Then it would become what? 540. Correct? Now if you observe 522, 514, minus 6. Again minus 6. Next would be also minus 6. Then it gives what? 502. So this is your answer. Here alternatively here what? Product. Alternative subtraction. Clear all of you? So like this also you will get from the one class alternative series. Clear? Next we will move on to the two class alternative series. Okay, next we will move on to the two class alternative series, that is second model. In this first question and second question. See, observe carefully first question. So whenever two class alternate series, we have to leave two terms and go for fourth term from here to here. Why? Because this is two class alternative series. Now see here, in this, if you left these two terms and go for fourth term, what pattern you observe? -10. Again leave these two terms and go for, now again you will get one pattern, that is -10. Now again you will get -10. So then next would be what? -10. Then here you will get what? 80. You will get 80. Next. Again after second term, leave next two terms. 19 and 110 you have to leave and go for fifth term. Second term to fifth term, you will get any pattern. Let's check here. -4. Again here, sorry, +4. Again here +4. Next would be also +4. Yes or no? Then you will get, what is the answer here? +4 means 76. Next, here from 19 to 38. For that terms, what is the technique? From third term to sixth term. Okay, what is the why? We have to leave two class alternative series, this one. So next, from here to here into 2, correct? Here to here again into 2. Next here to here into 2. Next would be also into 2. Then 152 into 2, 204. Sorry, 304. 304. So like this you will get in your examination. Sir, how we will get, sir, in the examination means after practicing. First of all, learn all the what are the different types of series are there. Based on that you have to practice in your book, from the books. Okay, then you will get answers. Now see, 80 to 75 again -5. Leave these two terms. Again 75 to 70 -5. Correct? Now 75 to 65 -5. Next would be what? -5. Then you will get what? 60 here. Now 2 after what? 6. 2 terms you have to leave. And 2 to 6 into 3. Now 62 into 3 again 18. Again into 3 54. Next would be also into 3. 54 into 3 is how much? 162. Correct? 162. Next, 5 to 10. Here to here. Yes, +5 you can take. Now 15. Yes or no? Again +5 you can take. Now again +5 you can take. Otherwise multiples of 5 also you can take. Then your answer is at 25. 162, 60. Clear? So like this you will get questions from the two class alternate series. Next, we will move on to the next model. Very interesting, that is digits logic. Okay dear students, we will move on to the next model, that is digits logic. From this logic, how the different questions they may ask in your examination and how to solve, let us see. Now first question from this, you may get like this. See, 124, 128, 136, 142, 144, what next? Next question. So they may give like this also. So 13, 17, correct, 25, 32, 37, what next? Next, third question, they may give like this. 17, 24, 32, 38, what next? Now fourth question, 1, 1 or otherwise 11, 13, 23, next 36, what next? So like this, one more question I am writing here. So 5, 25, 49, 169, next 256, what next? So like this, different ways they may ask you. Now one by one I will give solutions. Now all of you observe carefully. Now see here, in this number, this is what 3-digit number, and this last digit of that number is what? 4, correct? That number take and add up to the entire number. Now the result is 124 plus 4, it gives 128. Understand? For the first term, consider the first term, and in that you have to take last digit of that number and add up to the same number. Then you will get next term. Next, what you have to do? 128 plus 8. Yes or no? It gives 136. Now 136 plus 6, it gives 142. Now 142 plus 4, sorry, 142 plus 2, it gives 144. Next what? 144 plus 4, it gives 148, your answer. Okay, next. Here see, this is what based on sum of the digits of that number. See here, in the 13 we have 2 digits, those are 1 and 3. Now add up, 1 plus 3 it gives what? 4, add it to the same number, then you will get next term. So 1 plus 3 is what? 4, 4 plus 13, sum of the digits of that number and that result added to the same number, then you will get next term. Now here 1 plus 7 is equal to 8, 8 plus 17 it gives 25. Now 2 plus 5 it is 7, 7 plus 25 it gives 32. Now 3 plus 2 it gives 5, 5 plus 32 it gives 37. Now 3 plus 7 it gives 10, 10 plus 37 it is 47. Clear? Next see, here instead of addition of that number here, product of that numbers. Now 1 into 7 it gives 7. Again add it to the same number. If it is difference is possible, they may do by using difference. Now see, next here take the number and the product of the digits, then result, then add it to the same number. That is the concept here. Now 2 into 4 it gives 8. 8 plus what? 8 plus 24, 32. Then 3 into 2 it gives 6. 6 plus 32 it gives 38. Now 3 into 8 it gives 24. 24 plus 38 it gives what? 62. Next, here see, this is the different method. Again, see in this number 11 we have 2 digits. Those are what? 1 and 1. Take separately and square up, and you have to add. After that you can add. Take the digits separately and square it and add up. Now 1 plus 1, again it gives what? Root 2. That result added to the same number. Like this also they may give. Now 1 square plus 3 square, it gives what? 10. 10 added to the 13, then you get 23. Now 2 square plus 3 square, 4 plus 9, it gives what? 13. 13 plus 23, 36. Next would be what? 3 square plus 6 square, 9 plus 36, it gives what? 45. If you add 45 to 36, it gives 81. See, next this question. See here, 5, can I write 5 square? Here, preceding what first term starts with 5. I am taking it square. Next what? Sum of the digits. 2 plus 5 is what? 7. It's square. Now, here what I have to do? 4 plus 9, it gives what? 13, it's square. Now again, here 1 plus, 6 plus 9, it gives 16, it's square. 16 square. Okay? Next what we have to do? Again, 2 plus 5 plus 6, it gives what? 7, 13. Again 13 square you have to take here, then your answer is 169. Understand? Here first of all, first term square as it is you have to take. Then otherwise single digit. Okay, you can take square. Now that in that number next term you have to add up, then you will get result. Then it's square you have to take. Then again do same thing here. 4 plus 9 you will get what result? 13, it's square. 169. Now next what? Here 1 plus 6 plus 9 it gives what? 16, it's square 256. Now next 2 plus 5 plus 6 it gives 13, it's square 169. See how different ways they may give you in your examination. So that's why first of all learn the concept. Right. Okay dear students, we'll move on to the next model, that is Fibonacci series or Fibonacci series. Now see, the first question from this 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, what next? Now second question 1, 2, 2, 4, 8, 32, what next? Next, third question, see. Now 1, 2, minus 1, then 3, then minus 4, what next? So like this you will get questions. Now see, one by one solutions. See, Fibonacci series is nothing but when you will add first two terms, then you will get third term. So 1 plus 2, it gives what? 3. Again, come back here and second and third term. If you add second and third term, it gives fourth term. Now 2 plus 3, 5. Now 3 plus 5, 8. Now 5 plus 8, 13. 8 plus 13, 21. 13 plus 21, it gives 34. That is your answer. Clear? Now same as look at the second question. Here instead of addition, here product. 1 into 2, 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 4 8s are 32. 8 32s are 256. Now based on subtraction, 1 minus 2, what? 1 minus 2, minus 1, correct? Next what? 2 minus of minus 1, nothing but plus 1. 2 plus 1, it gives 3, correct? Now minus 1 minus 3, minus 4. Now 3 minus 4, nothing but minus 3 minus 4. Here minus of minus 4 plus 4, it gives 1. Clear all of you? So like this, you will get questions from the Fibonacci series. Okay, we'll move on to the next model. Okay, my dear students, we'll move on to the next model, that is conditional series. See here how they will give questions from this. First of all, look at the first question. From here to here, shall I take into 1 plus 1? Means what here? So if you multiply first term by 1, you will get result is 1. After that you have to add plus 1, then you will get 2. Next into 2 plus 2. 2 into 2 what? 4. 4 plus 2 6. Again 6 into 3 plus 3. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3 21. Now 21 into 4 plus 4. Means 21 into 4 is what? 84 plus 4 88. Next what we have to do? Into 5 plus 5. Then it gives what? 5 into 80. As I told you, split and merge method. So 400. 5 8s are 40. 440 plus 5. 445 your answer. Clear? Now see second example. Here shall I write here to here into 2, okay, plus 1. From here to here into 2 plus 2. From here to here into 2 plus 3. Into 2 4 plus 1 5. Into 2 10 plus 2 12. Into 2 24 plus 3 27. Now into 2 plus 4 only na. So 54 plus 4 58. Next would be what? Into 2 what? Plus 5. Why? Because here product is constant and addition is varying. Here both are varying. Product also varying. Okay, addition also varying. Like that also different ways they may give. So 116 plus 5 121. Next see this example. Here from here to here, how can I write this one? See here. Shall I write into 1 plus 2, correct? Yes or no? Next from here to here, shall I write into 2 plus 3, yes or no? Now here to here into 3 plus 4. Now here to here into what? See here into 1 plus 2 5. 5 into 2 10 plus 3 13. 13 into 3 39 plus 4 43. 43 into 4 plus 5. Here consecutive numbers, okay, otherwise product is increasing order and addition is what is the, okay, product you are taking, next consecutive number you have to add up. So next based on this technique what we have to do? Next into 5 plus 6 we have to do into 5 plus 6. From here to here done. Into 1 into 2 into 3. Now into 4. This is belong to this one. Okay, here I am writing into 4 plus 5. Next what we have to do? Into 5 plus 6. So 5 into 100 500. 5 into 70 350. So 850. So 850 plus 5 6 are 30. So 850 plus 30 880. 880 plus 6 886 your answer. See how I am multiplying. See 176 into 5. First 5 into 100 500. 5 into 70 what? 350. Now 5 6 are 30. Now together if you add 880 plus 6 886. So like this you have to add. Okay. So split and merge method, this one speed maths. Okay, if possible I will do one more, okay, class for the speed maths also. Now see here next. See here to here, shall I write this one into 0.5 plus 2? Is there any problem for you? Nothing but into 1 by 2, correct? Into 1 by 2 18 you will get. 18 plus 2 it gives 20. Next shall I write here to here into 1 plus 2 means from first multiplication to next multiplication increasing by 0.5 or 1 by 2. Next here to here into 1.5 plus 2. See here 1.5 is nothing but 3 by 2 only na. 22 into 3 by 2 it gives 11. 11 plus 2, sorry, 11 into 33, 33, 33 plus 2, 35. Correct? Now same. Next here to here what? Next after from product C, here to here increasing by 1 by 2. From here to here 1 by 2 increasing. Next would be increasing by 1 by 2, nothing but 2 plus 2. Now 35 into 2, 70 plus 2, 72. Next what we have to do? So 2.5 into what? 2. So how can we write 2.5? Shall we write 5 by 2? Correct. Next 5 by 2 into 72 into 5 by 2 first of all. How many times getting as 36? 5 36 are how much? So 5 150 plus 30 180. 180 plus 2 we have to do. Plus 2, correct? Now 182 your answer. Your answer is what? 182. So like this different ways they may give. See, observe all of you. Once again I am repeating from first term to second term. I am writing this one into 0.5 plus 2. Nothing but 1 by 2. 36 into 1 by 2. How much you will get? 18 plus 2, 20. Okay. Now next here from this product 0.5 to here I am increasing 0.5 or 1 by 2. Then it will become 1. 20 into 1 plus 2 again. Here increasing order. Now product addition is what? Constant again. So like these different ways you may get in your examinations. So that's why practice number of questions. Okay. Right. We'll move on to the next model. Okay students, we'll discuss last model of this number series. That is what? Miscellaneous series. See here how they will ask different type of questions. Let us see. Here see, this is what? Group series under the miscellaneous series. See how if you product first two terms you will get third term. If you add up first two terms you will get fourth term. That is the combination. So product and addition first two terms. If you product first two terms you will get third term. If you add first two terms you will get fourth term. Now same technique apply here. Product means 4 9s are 36. 4 plus 9 13. Now what same technique apply here? First of all we have to do product. So 18. Now 3 plus 6 is what? 9. So 18 comma 9 your answer. Next see here by observing carefully here you will get very easy. So here 1 cubes are arrayed, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. Next would be what? 6 cube, 6 comma 2 1 6. Now see here this is another pattern. Within the digits product 7 7s are 49. That is next term. Now 4 9s are 36. That is next term. Now 3 6 are 18. That is next term. Now 1 into 8 8. Like this you will get. Now see this example. Here so we have to find out. So as I told you, you may get missing term of the series or next term of the series or wrong term of the series. The beginning of the class. Okay, by using these techniques only. Now see here, first term to second term adding by 6. Okay, now here 8 to 26 adding by how much? Actually 18. Correct. Now here to here, what is the difference here? Actually plus how much? You will get here 210 is nothing but what? So 90 only na here. Then how it will come? See, first of all see. Again if you take here to your difference of difference, this is what? Plus 12. Correct. Now if you add here plus 12 for suppose, then what you will get? Let us see here. So if you add plus 12 to this, you will get 30 here. Plus 30. Plus 30 is nothing but from here to here it will come 56. Next according to same pattern, if you add again one more 12 here, then you will get what? Here 42. Now 56 plus 42 is how much? Not giving 122. So this pattern is wrong. Now go for another way. If you take next product of multiples of 6 you can take. Here can I write this one 2 into 6? Is there any problem for you? No. So then shall I take next 18? Now if you add 18, so it will come 36. Correct? Now next would be what? 24 I have to add. Now correct? Now 36 plus here see once again plus 6 correct. Now 18 correct. 26 plus 36 is how much here? 62. Now here again if you add here next multiple 24, 6 multiple 64, it gives what? It gives what? Tell me. 60. Yes, sufficient na? 62 plus 60 122. Yes. Next this pattern is applicable. Then here to here what we have to add 30. Yes, 60 plus 30, 90. Correct? 90 added to 120, you will get 212. Now, if you want to, take some other difference, next difference 6 plus 6, constant difference you will get here plus 6. Clear? Means difference of difference series. This one is what? Difference of difference series. Difference of difference series. Difference of difference series. This one. So by using this way you will get answer. Next, last one more example I am giving. See here. 1, 4, 14. Okay. Next, 3, 16. 3, 16. Next, 5. 536. Next, 7. 81. Next would be what? Not 781 here, 764. Sorry, 764. What next? See, if you do by this way, you may not get answer. See how by addition or by subtraction like that, by multiplication. See 14 to 316, how much? Increasing by 312. Again from here to here, increasing by how much? So some huge difference you are getting actually. 536 minus 316. 536 minus 316 means what? 0, 2 and 220. Here to here adding by 220. But again here decreasing order. Now here to here if we add 536 to 764, how much it is adding by 764 and 536. If you do subtraction, now what? 14 minus 6 it is 8. Correct? Next, 5 minus 3 2 and 228. Is there any way possible here? Is there any logic getting here? 312 and again 312 to 220 difference is, and 322 here very less. Here to here difference is more and you are not getting in this way. So what is this? Okay, how to solve this type of question? By observing carefully here combination of odd numbers and squares of even numbers. How sir? See, I am here underlining C. If you observe carefully here all of you, see 1, 3, 5, 7, next would be 9. Correct? Now here even numbers 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, 8 square, next would be 10 square, 100. So 9, 100 your answer. So like this also you may get in your examinations. This is all about number series. So that's why once again I am telling concept learning is very very important. So first of all learn the concept. From that you will get how to solve the different ways in your mind. You will get ideas. That is shortcut, nothing but. Clear? Thank you all.